Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send files on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the conversation with the person or group where you want to send your file. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation depending on who you need to share the file with. Once you're inside that conversation, you'll see the messaging interface where all your previous messages appear. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon located there. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon. This button is your gateway to accessing various sharing options within Viber, including photos, videos, location, and importantly for this tutorial, files. When you tap it, a menu will appear showing you all the different types of content you can share. From the options that appear, you need to tap on File. This option specifically allows you to browse and select documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, or any other file type stored on your device. It's particularly useful when you need to share work documents, presentations, or any files that aren't photos or videos. After tapping File, your device's file browser will open up. This interface shows you all the folders and files stored on your phone or tablet. Take a moment to navigate through your folders to locate the specific file you want to send. You might need to browse through different directories like downloads, documents, or any custom folders you've created to organize your files. Once you've found the file you're looking for, simply tap on it. As soon as you tap the file, Viber will automatically attach it to your message and send it to the conversation. You don't need to press any additional send buttons, the file goes out immediately. This makes the process quick and efficient, especially when you're sharing multiple documents in a row. And that's it, you've successfully sent a file through Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.